Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add checkboxes on Google Sheets. Adding checkboxes in Google Sheets is a straightforward process, which I will show you. First, open your Google Sheet documents and show you how the sheet where you want to add checkboxes. Highlight the cells where you want to insert checkboxes to. So this is it. I want to insert checkboxes to this. I'm just going to click Control, 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 and I have highlighted them. So you can select a single cell or range of cells or even an entire column. So once you're done, go ahead and click on Insert menu at the top of the screen, and from the drop down menu, click on Checkbox. Now checkboxes will be added to the selected cells, which we have here. You can customize the checkboxes, okay? So by default, checkboxes are either checked true or unchecked as false. So to change this, you can right click the checkbox cell and choose data validation. View more cell actions and click on data validation. And once you click on data validation, you can set what values represent checked and unchecked states, okay? So this is it. This is the checkbox. Now, criteria, advanced option. So use custom. So checked could be yes. You can change it to yes. And unchecked could be no. So change it to no instead of that default. And go ahead and click on done. And that's just it. So you can also apply conditional formatting to visually enhance the checkbox. Just go ahead and select the cells with checkboxes, go to format, click conditional formatting, and define formatting rules based on the checkbox status. For example, you might want to change the cell color when a checkbox is checked, just however you want to do that. So you can now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. Remember that with these steps, you can easily add and manage checkboxes in Google Sheet to help with task tracking, to-do list, or any other use case. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.